So I was getting ready to leave. I was getting ready to walk out the door, and then this guitar kind of called out to me and said, hey, what about me? So I realized that I could glue the neck in. And so I was like, well, I can just wait till tomorrow. But you know what they say, why put off tomorrow what you can do today? And so let's glue this neck in, and then it'll be done. And tomorrow we can start the process of finishing this baby. So let's do that. The neck is good to go. Everything's clean. Got the glue, got my brush. Let's put some glue in there. Let's get it done right quick. This only takes a minute. A little glue in there. A little glue down in there, around there. Spread that around a little bit. Like that. But before I do this, there is something else I need to do, and I'm glad I just thought of it. See, I almost made a big mistake. I got to drill a hole through here that I haven't done yet. So I got glue on there now. Now I got to hurry. Hit that with the vacuum. Okay, see that hole? You gotta have that hole. Man, I almost forgot that. So let's clean this trash out of the glue joint now. Woo, that was so close to being a disaster. All part of building guitars. Trying to stay ahead of the disasters. Okay, now we're back on track. A little more glue. I had to scrape some out. Freshen everything up again. Nice big fat glue joint. All that glue in there. Beautiful. Now we get the neck in. Squeeze that down in there. Make sure it's sitting fat down in there. Right. We'll put a towel in here so we don't damage the guitar body. And clamp it. That's the best way to do it, I found. Got this block that I made that has some curves cut into it that fits right there. It allows me to clamp this really well. Just need my clamp. Hold on. The clamp of doom. And what I do, put a block back here, keep from denting the guitar up, and a couple pieces of tape holds it in place while I'm messing around, trying to get it together. I'll put that right there, like that. That'll just hold that there for me for a minute. Stay. And I can get the clamp opened up. A super heavy duty C-clamp I use for this purpose. A little bit bigger. Like that, just like that. Pull that up a little, square it up, just like that. It looks good and square. Try to stay perfectly in the center, you know, so you're not pushing anything off to one side or the other. And give it a twist. And that baby's glued in there. Looks good. Clean up the squeeze out. We should be good to go. I have a toothbrush somewhere, but I don't remember where it is. Get this excess glue out of the way. Toothbrush really works great for this. I wish I knew where mine was, but I don't, unfortunately. But I do have this brush. Brushes really do a great job of cleaning the glue off of the grain, especially if you're trying to do a translucent finish and you leave that glue on there and don't get it off. And you can't really see it that well until you go to put a stain on it. And then it rears its ugly head and says, "Hey, remember me?" So we make sure we get that off of there. And let that dry. Down inside there, got a little messy. This looks good. I'm going to put a clamp right here just to make sure that that's clamped tight this way. And I think we're good. I don't think this one's big enough. No, it's not. But this one is. And we just want to clamp right there just to make sure that everybody is obeying the laws. Everybody's clamped together tight. There we go. Okay, that's it for today. You guys be good to each other out there. We'll see you out there somewhere. I hope you have a great week ahead. We'll see you soon. Bye.